Hi, I'm Shannon Wang.
And I'm Leah McKinley.
And we put birds on things.
Today we're going to Shop 53 in Plata Maryland. Nothing has birds on it, but you know what we're going to do? We're going to put birds on things.
Spruce it up. Make it pretty.
Thank you.
Put a bird on it.
Putting a bird on this piece of wood.
What a sad little t-shirt. I know. I'll put a bird on it. Did you see this shirt before? I didn't. Look, it's fine. It's free.
I'm going to put this bird on this card.
It's so pretty.
You like that, ma'am?
Fantastic.
I'm tattooing a bird on this arm. Put a bird on it.
I'm just going to crochet this bird right on this wall.
Oh, you missed a spot.
Oh, ah! My fingernails!
What about the bird?
Am I bleeding?
No, you're fine. She's fine. Stop looking at her.
I know she's fine, but I'm not fine. Put
A
bird
on
it.
I'm painting a bird on a bird.
Oh, my eyes. I straight up got dust in my eyes. Oh, will you just paint the bird and stop blowing on things?
Put
A
bird
on.
it. Now there's birds everywhere.
Now
we can open up the gallery.
Please go away.